Hi all, I hope all of you are doing great. And today we are going to learn new exciting things in SQL Server, that is execution plan. Execution plan is the core of query writing. Like if you know about how your query is fetching data, if you know these techniques, you can do tweaks with respect to performance optimization very easily. So before starting the video, all of you are requested to like my channel and subscribe it so that whenever I create a new video, it should be visible on your screen. So let's start the video. I'm creating two table and we will do this demo step by step. I will guide you how you can get the estimated execution plan, how you can get the actual execution plan, and how you can read the execution plan. So before starting, I prepared the script. I am creating a table with the name customers. My table contain a primary key, and primary key is created based on customer ID. I am creating another table, that is orders table. The order table also contain a primary key on order ID. And all of you may be aware about that whenever we create a primary key, it treated as a cluster index by default, but we can change its type, but it create its cluster index by default. Let me show you little bit quickly. I am opening the structure of order table, and here you can see that the order table has a primary key and created a cluster unique primary key located on primary file space. So I'm going to insert some data in this table. I have added few rows in client table. I'm adding some rows in order table, like I have populated both customer and order table. And now I am setting show execution plan. Like we can do it through two options. We can set it through this command if we can set it, and if I will run this query, it will show the execution plan in this option. Otherwise, if you don't want this, you can just hit this button. This is the button that is showing actual execution plan, and actual execution plan generated when you run the query. I run the query, it show the result set and it show the execution plan. And if I want estimated execution plan, here is the button. Like I have just click it will not return the data, but it will show the estimated execution plan. Now let's understand what this plan is saying. So I run this query, this is the result set, and this is the execution plan. So in execution plan, it showed that the cluster index seek of the customer table. The cluster seek of the customer table is because we are filtering based on customer ID. In start, we saw that we have created a index on customer ID. That is a primary key. So our customer table is our index seek. Index seek shows that our query engine is directly picking that specific row, the row that containing the customer ID. And on the other hand, the order table is showing the index scan. Index scan mean it's scanning a range, like it pick a customer one and it's scanning a range 1 2 3 4 to filter the orders of that specific customer. And let's move on another query. Now I'm running query on the same table, my customer table, by my filtration column is changed. I am doing filtration based on city column, and my actual execution plan hint is on. Let's execute it, and it's written only one row, John Doe, New York. And let's see its execution plan. In now the query is showing as index scan. The reason behind is that we are filtering based on city. Let me add one thing here. The query is still on index scan because on city there is no index, and its execution engine is filtering the complete column. But let's see what will happen if we add customer ID in our where class. and now you can see the execution changed. It's showing cluster index seek. It means its filtration is based on the index column. So it is highly recommended whenever you do some filtration, whenever you do make some joins, it is highly recommended that the column should be indexed. And most of the time we do filtration based on index column, and it's highly recommended whenever we make some joins there should be some foreign key constraints enabled so that the joining class run fast. Let's see another query plan, and this is the plan we are filtering based on last name column and it's doing based on index seek. Like, this is the difference between index seek, index scan, and cluster index scan. So I hope you got a high level idea of execution plan. Get in touch to stay tuned with us and learn new things. Bye bye.